case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1995, the survival stakes of the endangered Bruneau Hot Springs Snail made their way to the United States Court of Appeals for the Ninth Circuit in a case known as Idaho Farm Bureau Federation v. Babbitt. At the heart of the case was the principle that listing a species as endangered as per the Endangered Species Act, ESA, requires accuracy and transparency in practices along with adequate public notice and participation. A significant factor in the endangerment of the spring snail was agricultural groundwater withdrawal. The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, FWWS, had designated the species as endangered, a decision that was later invalidated by a lower court on procedural grounds. Concurrently, the Idaho Farm Bureau Federation contested the district court's verdict, setting the stage for the case's foray into the appeals court. A central issue in the appeals court proceedings was determining whether the conservation groups ICL's CIHD held the right to intervene in the appeal, along with assessing the handling of necessary procedures by the FWS. The court found that though the FWS responded to public comments satisfactorily, it violated the Administrative Procedure Act, APA, by not opening a U.S. Geological Survey, USGS, report for public comment. Despite this significant procedural slip, the appeals court decided that the endangered listing of the spring snail should not be disrupted while the FWS corrects its mistakes and reevaluates its decision. The court directed FWS to allow public notice and comment period on new data, such as the USGS study, and to render a listing decision without considering the temporary reinstatement of the rule. In the end, the earlier ruling by the district court was inverted, and the case was sent back for additional proceedings, in line with the appeals court's directives. The fight for the survival of the spring snail continued, with the fairness and transparency of the listing procedures under the microscope.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.